Webull Financial Tool Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description. Webull is a commission-free financial tool designed for active traders and investors who want a powerful, feature-rich platform with real-time market data, advanced charting, and easy mobile access. The platform supports stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrency trading, making it a great choice for those looking for a dynamic trading experience. Webull is available on desktop and mobile, offering seamless portfolio tracking and integration with brokerage accounts. This tool is ideal for self-directed investors and traders who want commission-free trading combined with professional-level tools. Webull provides in-depth charting features with multiple technical indicators, customizable layouts, and extended hours trading, including both pre-market and after-hours sessions. Options traders benefit from commission-free trading and a user-friendly interface for multi-leg strategies. Crypto traders can buy and sell digital assets 24/7 directly on the platform. Another standout feature is Webull's paper trading, which allows users to test strategies without risking real money. Additionally, Webull offers real-time Level 2 market data for advanced traders who need more insight into market movements. Strengths include a sleek, modern interface, commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, and options, and a powerful charting system for technical analysis. Webull's margin trading and extended hours access provide flexibility for active traders. The platform also offers frequent promotions, including free stock bonuses for new users. Security features include two-factor authentication and encryption for safe account access. Weaknesses include limited investment options. There are no mutual funds or bonds, making it less ideal for long-term investors focused on diversified portfolios. Research and educational resources are not as comprehensive as those found on platforms like TD Ameritrade or Fidelity. Additionally, while Webull is great for technical analysis, it lacks full robo-advisory services and automated portfolio management, which may be a drawback for hands-off investors. Overall, Webull is a great choice for active traders and investors looking for a commission-free platform with strong charting tools and real-time market data. If you prefer an intuitive trading experience with deep technical analysis, Webull is a strong option. However, if you need broader investment options or long-term portfolio management, other brokers may be a better fit. Check the links in the description to explore Webull and see if it aligns with your trading strategy.